Have you ever heard of MIT App Inventor? Well, MIT App Inventor is a cloud-based coding platform which permits you to create apps for phones and tablets right inside the browser. So basically, we're going to start a new project here and we're going to name it First Project. So let's open that. And as you can see here, I'm on a browser right now. And yeah, so basically, it allows you to create apps for phones and tablets right inside the browser. MIT App Inventor uses a block-based programming language built on Google Blockly and inspired by Starlogo TNG and Scratch. MIT App Inventor provides a web-based what you see is what you get editor for creating mobile phone apps targeting Android and iOS operating systems. So you may be like, what is a what you see is what you get? So basically, as you see here, I see there's a user interface, layout, media, drawing and animation, maps, sensors, social, storage, connectivity, Lego Mindstorms, experimental and extension, and also multiple other stuff here too. So basically, whatever I see, like I see a button here, is what I get, and like I get to say, like Eurfio. I don't know what Eurfio means, but I just put down something random. Yeah. So basically, yeah. Then I can like make a bold and do font italic, and then I can like rename it, the actual button to Eurfio, whatever the heck that is. So yeah, basically that. Now I can just delete that because that isn't necessary. The App Inventor project began in Google in 2007 when Professor Hal Ebelson of MIT went on sabbatical at Google Labs. The project leads were inspired by increased interest in educational blocks programming languages such as Scratch and the release of the new Android operating system. This educational project was migrated to MIT when Google closed Google Labs in 2011. So, MIT App Inventor design goals. Yeah, I don't know why this over here, but yeah, it says design goals. Alright. During the design of During the design of MIT App Inventor, the developers wanted to make introduction of mobile app development in educational contexts its first goal. The second goal was to democratize app development. Prior to its release, most development environments for mobile apps were clunky. Only were it be able to access with expertise in systems level or embedded programming, or both. These challenges created barriers to entry for individuals not well versed in computer science. MIT App Inventor simplified app development by using competence which abstracts complexities of platform behavior. It also uses blocks and visual programming that abstracts complexities related to underlying programming language. So first, you have to go to the URL MIT App Inventor. So basically, you just have to go to appinventor.mit.edu. After you get on that, you click Create Apps, and then practically I'm in now because first project as you see, but you have to have your own email to start making your projects. So yeah, just note that. Editors. MIT App Inventor uses two editors, the design editor and the blocks editor, or the designer view and the blocks view. So basically, here is the designer view. So as you see the screen here, I can also put it as I can put it as a phone size, a tablet size, and if you want even bigger, a monitor size, which is humongous, I guess. But I'd suggest. Sorry about that. Personally, I'd suggest the phone size. So, the design editor or the designer the design editor or designer a drag and drop interface to lay out the elements of the application's user interface called components. So as you see here, this is the user interface. You see button, checkbox, date picker, image, label, list picker, list view, notifier, password text box, slider, spinner, switch, text box, time picker, and web viewer. These are all components in the user interface. As you saw earlier, I picked out a button and typed your feel, whatever your feel is. The blocks editor is an environment in which app inventors can visually lay out the logic of their apps using color-coded blocks that snap together like puzzle pieces to describe the program. So as you see here, we have the blocks editor. This is basically the spot where you code. So, and as I said, snap together like puzzle pieces. Let me bring out two things. As you see here, I can, boom, wait, let me turn up my volume to make you hear it. So just hear this. Boom, just snap together like a puzzle piece. Components. Components are made up of three primary elements such as properties, methods, and events. Properties control the state of the component, and a developer can read or write properties through blocks. For example, background color and enable are both properties of a button component. Methods are available for some components as they operate on many inputs and possibly return a result. For example, a notifier component has a method, showAlertNotice, which accepts a text input and displays a temporary notification on the app. Events reply to changes in the device or app state based on the external factors. For example, click and got focus are both events for a button. Blocks. So blocks help you code various programming constructs. MIT App Inventor provides multiple built-in blocks such as control, logic tests, lists of variables, and procedures. So as you see here, a control contains multiple if-else and if-else-then blocks in the viewer. So basically, as you see here, it's if then else, and there's like multiple of them. Like as you see here, you can click that, and then you can add like elf is. You can make this like the longest thing ever, but that's going to be hard to code. Yeah. Logic has true and false components. You can use the true and false block when you do something like set timer and able to choose. So as you see here, you can do logic, true, and then there's false, and yeah, you can make it equal and or stuff like that. So yeah, I can make like I don't think this is an actual code, but here I can do oh wait, shoot, I did something else. Wait, so I can go here and say if true, like for a code, like a memory game, I use like if true, you can do something. Oh wait, I don't want it. Alright, no, just no. Okay. So as you see next, we have text. So text can be used to display messages. So I made a memory game earlier, and here is what I did. So basically, I had one thing say, so when you got something right, it would say good. But when you got something wrong, it would say bad. And when you finished, it would say finished. So that's basically what text does. Lists create lists from the blocks. If there is no argument, then there will be an empty list, which means there will be like, if there's nothing here, it's just empty here, as you see. A variable block is used to create global variables. It takes any type of value as an argument. As you see here, there's a variable block, and I can see, there's no argument. So if I have to connect this to something. Select the valid item in the drop. But I don't know what happened there, but like, whatever. Alright, procedures. A procedure is a sequence of blocks or code that is stored under a name. So basically, in my memory games that I created recently, I had a procedure called verification, which basically made sure that you got it right or wrong. So that is lesson 1 of MIT App Inventor. I hope you enjoyed it. And there's also multiple other things you can do with MIT App Inventor. It is awesome. Like you can upload files. You can upload files from 2 ways. There's so many options for what you can use. And yeah, so I hope you enjoyed this video, and it's just practically a review of what MIT App Inventor. Please subscribe to our channel, we're new, and yes, thank you, bye.